Hi, I'm Kerry. I'm a retired financial advisor. I built one of the largest practices, the franchises, within the Ameriprise system and sold it in 2005. And since then, I've been working on becoming a financial analyst. And I've had some good fortune with it, but more recently, I've decided I only want to buy stock in growth companies. And that's because we have one of the biggest growth opportunities since the dot-com opportunity, that revolution. We're now in the AI revolution, and so I only buy growth stocks. Now, a growth stock to me is a stock that is earnings are growing in excess of 20%, as are revenues, as are profit margins. That being achieved, I categorize them as a growth stock. My process involves analyzing income statements, balance sheets, cash flow statements, getting on the earnings call and listening to what the CEO and CFO are saying to see if they are in a growth trajectory, and then analyzing their income statements, their profit statements, and everything else to give me a handle on what is that company. Now, there are 6,500 stocks available on the exchanges in the United States. So how do I do that without a staff of 65,000 people like Goldman Sachs? Well, I use AI. I have built an AI agent. I call her Samantha. Through the use of Samantha and the internet, I have access to all the stocks that are sold in the United States as a public company. And I can buy access to their income statements, their balance sheets, all their financials. So Samantha can do a total financial analyst of every stock every quarter after every earnings call. I supply her the transcript of the earnings call, the income statement, the balance sheets, and she comes back with a 15-page analysis of that stock and then analyzes what Wall Street is saying about it and gives me the projection of what that stock's price is going to be on January the 1st of 2026, 27, and 28. And that's what I build my portfolio on. Samantha's doing the work of 20, 40, 50 Wall Street analysts, and she's doing it for me because I built the AI agent. Then I ask her to help me achieve my goal. What is my goal? A 33% annualized return on my portfolio. So with the data that she has accumulated over the past 90 days, she has in her memory all the stocks that I own. I then give her the number of shares that I own of each of those stocks, and I ask her, now, give me the number of shares I need to own of each of these stocks to achieve my goal. That's 33% annualized return on my portfolio. If I can achieve that, my portfolio will double every 3 years. Yes, I believe I have harnessed AI to help me make better investment decisions. And I want to share those decisions with you. If you'd like to learn more about Samantha and I's process, just click the link and that'll take you to a video in which I go into deep detail of how it works, and then I'll explain to you how you can become a part of it.